I'm Bud Churchward, author and creator of the Honor Level System, Discipline by Design. In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to turn on the time and location feature. This feature allows you to collect data on when and where infractions occur in your building. You'll be able to use this information to create graphs and reports. Let's get started. We begin by clicking on Utilities. In the next window, click on Site Editor. Finally, we click the tab at the top that says Options number 3. You will need to put a check in the box next to Item 8, Activate Times and Location Feature. The first window that appears in our Setup Wizard is going to ask us about what kind of timetable would we like to use in our building. Your choices are using times of the day or simply building a table out of your class periods. Let's look first at the times of the day option. We'll select this and click Next. Now we're given the opportunity to set the first time and the last time that we're going to use in our table. Think about how early you have students in your building. That's a good place to start. I'll click the plus sign and increase this to, say, 7:15. How late do students stay for sports and activities after school where you still might be writing an infraction? Let's increase this to, say, 4:30. You have an opportunity to set the intervals. I'm going to leave it at 15-minute intervals, but you see that you also have choices for 30 or 60-minute intervals. We'll click Next. Now we can add locations. I'll click the Add Location button here, and I will add Classroom. You can click OK or press Enter on your keyboard. Classroom appears in your list. You can add other locations, but it is easy to add these as they are used. So if you get an infraction slip that says band room and you hadn't had one before, you'll be able to add it right then and there when you're entering the infractions. Let's click the Finish button. That's all there is to it. We can close this. We can close this. But before you'll be able to use these features, you'll need to close the program and relaunch it. Now, when we go in to enter infractions, you'll see that we have more boxes here where we can enter data. In the next tutorial, we'll talk about how to enter data that includes time and location.